Hey, it's Matthew. Let's open up some Hot Wheels 2020 M-Case cars. So the first car is a 49 Merc, number 219. The 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35, number 233, or 223. The Surf and Turf, number 83. The Tesla Model 3, number 112. The 17 Lamborghini Urus, number 213. The 65 Ford Galaxy, number 221. The 52 Hudson Hornet, number 140. The Sandblaster, number 215. And the last car is the Astana Hoto, number 214. My favorite car out of these 9 cars is probably the Lamborghini Urus. The winner for the M-Case giveaway is Jate Stinson. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, but congratulations again. You have 2 weeks to claim your prize. You can either DM me on Instagram or email me. So thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and tell me your favorite cars out of these 9 cars.